Want your important reminders to stay visible on your desktop. In this tutorial, I'll show you how sticky notes work on the Windows desktop, how to keep your notes easy to access, and a few tips to make them always visible while you work. First, open the Start menu and search for Sticky Notes. Launch the app, and if you already have saved notes, they'll open automatically. Otherwise, create a new note using the plus button. Sticky notes are designed to appear directly on your Windows desktop. Simply drag each note to the location where you want it. So many people place important reminders near the center of the screen or close to frequently used applications. Resize each note so it fits the amount of information you need. Yeah, larger notes work well for detailed checklists, while smaller notes are perfect for quick reminders. You can also change note colors to separate different categories. Sticky notes remain on your desktop after you create them, making them easy to access while you're working. If you accidentally close a note, simply reopen it from the Notes list inside the Sticky Notes app. Keep in mind that Sticky Notes don't have a separate pin feature because they're already desktop notes by design. Depending on how you arrange your windows, notes may be covered by other applications, but they'll still be available when you return to your desktop or reopen them. And that's how to keep sticky notes on your desktop in Windows. With a simple layout and good organization, your reminders stay easy to find whenever you need them. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Windows guides, and thanks for watching.